Hello friends, today we are going to unbox a very stylish and premium looking watch, the Franklord. I have purchased from the official website of an amount of rupees 5,290. If you are looking for a watch that is both stylish and feature-rich, this video might be quite helpful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Today we are doing just the unboxing and first unveiling of the Franklord Noir eclipse. There is no paid promotion here, just a real experience. As soon as you open the box, the presentation looks simple yet decent. At first glance, the watch immediately grabs attention with its premium look. The black finish and skeleton style design give it a classic and bold appearance. The moment you hold it in your hand, one thing stands out. This is not a battery powered watch. It is an automatic watch that runs on your wrist movement. This feature makes it more than just a timepiece. It becomes a true mechanical experience. In terms of feel, it comes across as solid, stylish, and surprisingly comfortable. Once you wear it on your wrist, its presence feels strong and noticeable. It's clear that this watch is not just meant to tell time, but to make a style statement. If you have someone appreciated classic design, mechanical charm, and a premium touch, then the first hand feel of this watch is quite impressive. Overall, the unboxing experience is simple but decent, and the first hand feel definitely leans towards the premium side. No paid hype, no extra drama, just an honest. Please like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Bye bye.